In this problem, they give us that x equals 4 is a solution for this equation. Now, it has variables x in here, but it also has k, so we want to determine the value of k. Well, we're not solving for x. We know what x is that works here. So what we can do is we can go ahead and substitute 4 in for x. And we don't even really have to simplify it before we do that substitution. So after we make that substitution, we simplify our numbers. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 times 4 is 16 plus k. Then we have 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15 equals 16 plus k. So then 10 plus 15 is 25 equals 16 plus k. So then when we subtract 16 from both sides, we get 9 equal to k. And there's our answer. And we're done.